I worked up a swatch. This is with the Woolies Thick and Quick. And I tried 2 different stitches. This is that loopy figure 8. I forget what we ended up calling it. The one I did for this. And it's got a lot of stretch, and with the Thick and Quick, it'll be really warm. It's not gonna have, it doesn't feel like a rug, but, and it'll bend some, but it's not gonna have the drape that this first one I made did. But for something like a quick one to make, I think switching to this stitch would be the way to go. It works up fast and it'd be a lot simpler. The other stitch is this one. I'll send you a photo of it. It looks nice and symmetrical. It's some form of a stockinette. It's how it looks. Now for it, I've got stretch and it would be super warm. I could use it as well, but you're not going to have as much stretch, so you won't be able to pull it over the shoulders as much. So that's what I got for you. Let me know what you think.